everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to put your MagGrip onto your flash as well as how to use it. So let's dive right in. When you first get your MagMod kit, there's going to be a couple pieces that come in the box. This piece right here is called the MagGrip. And what it does is it allows the MagMod system to work all as one. Let's go ahead and I'm going to show you how to install your MagGrip. It's really simple. You gotta have a little strength, but you just stretch it over the flash head and kind of wiggle it down. You may get a little bit of like a lip right here, and you can just kind of play with it and get it to be completely flush. One of the most important things when installing this MagGrip onto your flash is you want to make sure that it is flush to the flash itself. And once you get it on there, you can kind of wiggle it, straighten it out. It's pretty flexible, and what's really nice about it is it's strong, so this is not going anywhere during your shoot. You can even have the flash upside down and this is not going anywhere. So that is a really nice feature of this. Once your MagGrip is on your flash, it is the simplest mechanism to use. So we're going to take our flash right here, and let's say we want to modify our light and spread it and slightly soften it. You just take your mag sphere. I mean, it's so quick. I love it. It's very strong. And when you need to switch modifiers, it's just as easy as that. So you take it off and you can put a different modifier on. The MagGrip is compatible with a lot of different types of flashes. You'll find that Speedlights are pretty common. You can use them across the board on most Speedlights. I have the GODOX AD200 as well, which is a little bit of a larger flash head than this, and it fits perfectly. One pro tip I do have for you is that if you're struggling to put your MagGrip on, you can actually take a blow dryer and heat this up, get it a little bit warmer than the natural temperature of the room, and it becomes much more flexible and easier to put on your flash. So if you need that little extra support to help you use the MagGrip, feel free to use that option. I have had this MagGrip work with all different sizes of flashes, but the most common that I use it on is the GODOX V1 as well as the GODOX AD200. I hope you found this video helpful, and I will see you next time.